Welcome to Quest Hotel Tagaytay, one of the best value for money hotels in Tagaytay City. It's a great choice whether you're planning a relaxing family staycation, a weekend getaway, or simply need a comfortable place to stay while attending events and exploring everything Tagaytay has to offer. But does it live up to the hype? And is it worth booking for your next trip? Let's find out in this full review. Let's get started. Quest Hotel Tagaytay is a modern and budget-friendly hotel located right in the heart of Tagaytay City. It's part of the Quest Hotels brand and offers a more practical and affordable stay compared to some of the biggest resorts and luxury hotels around the area. One of the biggest advantages is definitely its location. The hotel is conveniently located near some of Tagaytay's popular restaurants, cafes, shopping areas, and attractions, making it a great home base if you're planning to explore the city. It's also directly beside the Fora Philinvest malls, which makes the hotel super convenient to access several shops and restaurants. Quest Hotel Tagaytay is positioned more as a value for money city hotel rather than a destination resort. Our one night stay costs us about 3,000 pesos during a special occasion day, though usually the hotel rate is around 2,000 pesos only. Quest Hotel's service, in our experience, has always been top-notch, including their Tagaytay branch. So aside from the cafe and restaurant located in the lobby, one of the main amenities guests have access to is the outdoor swimming pool. It's a nice addition, especially if you're staying with kids or just want to relax at the hotel. However, do keep in mind that the pool isn't heated, and with Tagaytay's general cooler weather, the water can get pretty cold, especially during the night. So depending on the weather during your stay, you might end up skipping the pool altogether. Now for a quick room tour. The rooms here at Quest Hotel Tagaytay are relatively simple and straightforward. They're cozy, clean, and the beds are comfortable, although the rooms themselves are definitely a bit on the smaller side. You get all the basic amenities you would expect from a hotel room. Just a TV, now smart TVs here, air conditioning, a small workplace, storage for your belongings, and your own private bathroom. There's nothing particularly luxurious or fancy about the room, but everything you need for a comfortable overnight stay or a quick weekend getaway is here. The bathroom follows the same simple and functional approach. It's not particularly spacious, but it gets the job done and comes with basic toiletries and amenities you'll need during your stay. For me, the simplicity of the room actually fits the hotel's price point really well. Quest Hotel isn't trying to compete with Tagaytay's most luxurious hotels and resorts. If you're someone who plans to spend most of the day exploring Tagaytay and just needs a comfortable room to come back to, I think it's more than enough for its price. I'm giving Quest Hotel Tagaytay's room a B. Nothing fancy, but clean, comfortable, and just right for the price point. Probably the weakest point of Quest Hotel Tagaytay is its amenities and facilities, especially when you compare it to some of the other Quest hotels we've stayed in. For starters, there's no gym or fitness center. So if you're someone who likes to squeeze in a workout during your stay, that's definitely something to keep in mind. They do have an outdoor swimming pool for its guests, but unfortunately, it's relatively small and more importantly, it isn't heated. Considering Tagaytay is known for its cooler weather, the water can get pretty cold. During colder or rainy days, you'll probably find very few guests actually using the pool, which makes it feel like a bit of a missed opportunity. A heated pool would have made this amenity much more enjoyable and usable throughout the year. Beyond the pool, there isn't really much else in terms of recreational facilities. So if you're looking for a hotel where you can spend the entire day relaxing and enjoying different amenities, Quest Hotel Tagaytay might feel a bit lacking. I'm giving Quest Hotel Tagaytay a C for its bare amenities. It's probably the weakest Quest hotels in terms of amenities considering we have stayed at almost all Quest hotels in the Philippines. I know Quest Hotel Tagaytay is positioned more on the budget-friendly side, so naturally you have to manage your expectations. However, there are other affordable hotels with similarly small and relatively basic rooms that makes up for it by offering excellent amenities. A good example is the Grand West Side Hotel, which offer its guests amazing facilities and amenities. One area where Quest Hotel Tagaytay definitely makes up for its limited amenities is with its food and service. During our stay, we had a great experience with both. The food was surprisingly good, with satisfying portions and reasonable pricing for a hotel. Whether you're grabbing something from the cafe or having a proper meal at the restaurant, the quality is definitely one of the highlights of the stay. Service was also excellent. The staff were friendly, accommodating, and attentive whenever we needed assistance, which really helped make our stay more comfortable. For a budget-friendly hotel, this is one area where Quest Hotel Tagaytay punches above its price point. I'm giving Quest Hotel Tagaytay an A for its great food paired with warm and reliable service that definitely adds a lot of value to the overall experience. If you're looking for a great budget hotel with great location, food, and service, then Quest Hotel Tagaytay is definitely worth your money. Overall, I recommend Quest Hotel Tagaytay for travelers looking up a great budget hotel in Tagaytay City. It's a good place to stay if you don't need the best facilities and don't want to spend a lot for a night or two stay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you with your future travel plans. Please like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. See you on our next staycation.